get to it. Pretty much today, it's a continuation of yesterday's video. There's a bunch of meets going on this weekend for the Quiet X Ghost meet at Texas Motor Speedway. Currently, I'm on my way to the Rafa Dainese Dallas Meet. This meet should be pretty interesting. I know that there's a ride out this morning, but I'm on black time. I definitely missed that shit because they said kickstands up at 10:30. It's like 10:05 right now. I'm nowhere near Dallas. I'm still a good 30 minutes away or so, even if I'm ripping. But as you can see, the weather's pretty shitty. It feels nice out though, but it's supposed to rain at maybe 12 from 12 to 4. The other meets are later tonight. I think at like 6 or 7. But this is definitely going to be a mess today, so we'll see what happens. I thought I'd go down, check it out, and see what's going on, and then maybe dip before the rain comes in. So let's see if we can beat the rain down and back. But we'll see what happens. But I always like going down to Dallas, checking out the bikes, checking out the meets, supporting the guys. But anyways, I don't really have too much to talk about. I'll probably just cut to it whenever we get there, unless something interesting happens. But for the most part, I'm just trying to beat the rain, trying to see what's going on down there. It's still early. I woke up kind of late. It is windy as hell today too. I guess because of the weather, but hopefully the rain holds for like another hour or so. I just want to get down there and check out the meet and see what's going on. So we get some cool cinematic shots and then dip before the rain comes in. I don't know about you, but I'm not a fan of riding in the rain. Shit sucks. The roads are slick. The white lines feel like fucking ice. It's just not fun. You get soaked. Hell, it's all gross. I'm not a fan of it, but anything to get out the house on a Saturday, you've been working all week and you just want to get out, ride the bike, I'm all for it, even if there's a little bit of rain. We'll send it, see what happens. Dallas, or at least downtown Dallas. I don't come down here often, but I'd be lost half the time. I was like, I don't know, some people get used to riding around the city. I'd be getting lost as fuck. I think I'm supposed to go right. Damn. Let's see what the GPS says, because I think I fucked up. Look at that, the sun peeking through. I think we might be good on the rain, but we'll see. I think I know where I'm at. It should be on the right, pulling up to Dainese. I think I might actually be early. The group ride might not be coming in just yet, because I have not seen that many bikers yet. I know damn well I'm not parking inside the meet though. That's the only thing I hate about meets is that if you park in a congested area, you're gonna get boxed in and it's a pain in the ass to get out. That's the only thing that sucks. Whenever you're ready to leave, good luck trying to leave. Time to get the fuck out. Like the weather is disgusting now. I was hoping to beat the rain, but I got to yapping with people. I got distracted. I'll probably throw in some of the footage that I got at the meet, but I got a little distracted and started yapping. Why are you saying you're low on fuel? You got fuel. Yeah, I'm full. Oh, it's starting to rain too. I was hoping to beat the rain, but it looks like nope. Well, this is gonna be a wet ride back. It's starting to come down. Hopefully I can beat it, because over by where I live, hopefully it's not raining too hard. But that was a fun meet. met some cool people, got to talk to some cool people, but I ain't trying to get too wet because I would like to get home. I know the quiet meets later, so I'll go to that one, but I'm gonna get wet. So let's take it slow. The fucking feet are slipping too. Nah, we're just gonna end up getting soaked. This sucks! But it is what it is. We just gonna end up getting soaked. This sucks. I'm sitting at the light. I can't go nowhere. I'm getting rained on. I should have left earlier. I spent too much time yapping. I regret it now. I spent 30 minutes yapping. I could have been home already before the rain hit. Down too. I'm getting soaked. 14 miles of rain now. I'm kind of sit in the middle of the lane and just chill. It's actually not that bad, but I'm pretty wet.